A futuristic electric auto rickshaw, the Bajaj Maxima SC Electric, is parked on a charging station. The camera slowly pans over its sleek design, highlighting the modern LED headlights and aerodynamic body. The future of urban transportation is here with the 2025 Bajaj Maxima SC Electric Auto Rickshaw. Designed for zero-emission performance, cost efficiency, and superior comfort, this model is set to revolutionize the commercial vehicle industry. Bajaj's latest innovation focuses on sustainability, performance, and modern technology to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation.
Close-up shots of the rickshaw's digital dashboard, LED headlights, and sleek exterior.
The new Maxima SC Electric features a bold, futuristic design with an aerodynamic structure, ensuring minimal air resistance for better efficiency. The all-LED lighting system, including headlights, taillights, and indicators, enhances visibility while consuming less power. The revised chassis improves durability and ensures a more stable ride, even on uneven roads. The battery and motor specifications appear on the screen. At the heart of the Maxima SC Electric is an advanced lithium-ion battery pack that offers a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. The powerful electric motor delivers instant torque, ensuring quick acceleration and effortless handling, even with a full load. Fast charging technology allows the battery to charge up to 80% in just 1 hour, making it ideal for commercial use. The regenerative braking system not only improves efficiency but also enhances safety. The driver's seat, digital cluster, and smart connectivity features are showcased. The cabin is designed for driver comfort and ease of use. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time data on battery status, range, speed, and energy consumption. Smart connectivity features, including GPS tracking, remote diagnostics, and smartphone integration, add a modern touch, helping drivers monitor their vehicle's performance with ease.
The spacious passenger and cargo area are highlighted.
The rear section of the Maxima SC Electric is spacious and well designed for both passengers and cargo. The flat floor design allows easy entry and exit, while the ergonomic seating ensures a comfortable ride. The high-strength body structure provides better safety and durability, making it a reliable choice for urban and semi-urban transport. Performance test showing the rickshaw navigating different road conditions. The Maxima SC Electric delivers smooth and silent operation, reducing noise pollution significantly. The electric powertrain ensures lower running costs compared to petrol, diesel, or CNG variants. With minimal maintenance requirements, this model is an economical choice for auto rickshaw owners and fleet operators. The suspension system has been improved for a stable and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Pricing, government incentives, and availability details appear on the screen. The Bajaj Maxima SC Electric is expected to be priced competitively, making it one of the best options in the electric auto rickshaw segment. Government incentives and subsidies on EVs make it even more affordable for drivers. With its low operating cost and high efficiency, this auto rickshaw is set to dominate the market. The Maxima SC Electric is shown driving away as text appears on the screen.